Hi everyone, welcome to Carmen's Australian Storytime. So if I read a book and do my magic, then I will run out of time because I don't want my book to take so long to read that I miss out on doing my magic. So I'm going to do two. I'm going to do one that shows my amazing magic trick because as everyone at school knows, Mrs. Jones is the best at magic, right? Don't be laughing and saying no way because you all know it's true how great I am at magic. Okay, yeah, I'm laughing at myself too. Well, this is my Easter bonnet hat this year. I just went pretty simple. I found these napkins at the shop and I just couldn't resist. They look a bit cute. So I've just put them all the way around and I've made an egg to go at the top of it. And I thought I'd show you a magic trick because a little while ago I read a story where I made a rabbit jump out of a hat. Okay, it wasn't my best magic, I know, but I thought I'd have another go at it. So let's see if I can make a rabbit come out of my hat. What do you think? Don't laugh because it could go wrong. You know, sometimes things go wrong with me and my magic. Okay, now, as my daughter would love me to say, a la peanut butter sandwiches. Nothing? Okay, let's try again. A la peanut butter sandwiches. Wait a second. You're not a rabbit. Hi, everyone. No, this is wrong. You're not a rabbit. You're supposed to be a rabbit. But why? Why do I have to be a rabbit? Because it's Easter. That's why. This is not a rabbit. Oh no, my magic has gone all wrong. Can we try this again? Okay, but this is what comes out of this hat. Let's try that again. Go back down. Try again. Give me a second. Okay, we ready this time. A la peanut butter sandwiches. Hello again. Wait, what? Well, I got an egg this time. Why do you have an egg? Well, you said you wanted an Easter rabbit, so I brought you the egg. Okay. Thank you very much. Yes. Hi, everyone. Happy Easter, everyone. I wish I was an Easter bunny. Well, yeah, you're definitely not ticking any boxes. You do not have big ears. You don't have the cute bunny nose well, you do have a cute nose, but it's not the bunny nose. So I'm sorry. Well, that makes me really sad. But I get it, okay. But you might want to check out the egg, okay? Bye, everyone. What does he mean you might want to check out the egg? Let's have a look. It's a blue egg. It's got a line around it, so I think it must be one I can open. I'm a bit concerned about a little white bag of powder in here. Oh, there's a thing on the bag. It says snow powder. There's something else inside it. I know what he's given us. He wants me to do an experiment. An excellent experiment. Oh, wow. And it's called Super Snow. I'm so excited. I love experiments. I mean, magic tricks. It's got to be a magic trick, right? Okay. Let's see. How does Super Snow work? The official name for this fine white powder is sodium polyacrylate. This chemical is better known as the super absorbent polymer found in baby diapers or nappies. What? And the word polymer simply means long chains of molecules. Poly means many and what is it? Poly means many and mer is a unit of molecule. That's why it's polymer. Sorry, got muddle fuddle with my tongue then. Super snow soaks up water using a process called osmosis, where water molecules pass through a barrier from one side to the other. When water comes in contact with the polymer, it moves from outside the polymer to inside and causes it to swell. The polymer chains have an elastic quality, but they can stretch only so far and hold only so much water. Otherwise, your container of super snow would grow as big as a house. No, thank you. I don't want my whole house full of, especially my kitchen. No, thanks. Okay, which would be really cool if you had to shovel yourself out. No, I don't like these instructions. Please don't grow so big I have to shovel myself out of my house. Okay, no laughing, everybody, while I do the experiment. I will read the instructions because it's always important when you are doing a little bit of chemistry or science or magic that you need to read the instructions. Experiment number 1. Oh, there's 2 experiments we can do. To make the perfect batch of super snow, measure out 1 teaspoon of snow into a plastic cup. Fill the measuring cup with 2 ounces, I think that's like 3 teaspoons of water to use the right ratio, as too much water will make slush instead of snow. Pour the water into the cup and in just seconds you have an eruption of snow. Shall we try? Do we want to just put the whole bag in? I kind of want to. Yeah, let's just put the whole bag in. Okay, here's the bowl. If I can get the bag open. I want the bag open. Okay, here we go. It's all going in. What am I going to do? I have to shovel myself out. Okay, if someone's watching this and they live near me, make sure you check on me that I haven't been buried in my snow. Okay, now it says we need water. Let me just get some water. Now, it says 2 ounces. Ounces is American. I don't know what 2 ounces is in Australian. So the best rule, if you don't know, just add tiny bit after tiny bit and see what happens. Okay, are we ready? Here is the snow. Let's give it a go, because you never know. All right, it's going in. Oh! It's kind of working. It's getting bigger. Oh, wow. Okay. Can you see? Oops. Can you see my snow? It's growing. It's growing. Okay, I need a spoon. Let me just get a spoon. Okay. Add a bit more water. It is. It's growing. Look at my snow. How cool is that? Let's add a bit more. I think I'm safe, everyone. I don't think I'm going to need anyone to come and rescue me. Look at that. We're making snow. How cool is that? That tiny little packet has made all of that snow. Let's see if I can get it a little bit bigger. It says be careful, because if you add too much, it's going to turn to mush. And we don't want mush. What a cool experiment. Look at that. We made snow. Oh, thank you to whatever kind of animal that was that popped out of my magic hat and gave us that magic snow. How cool is that? But guess what? There's 2. So let's see what's next. Okay. I hope that was all right to see on the video. You know I'm new at this. And my magic too. Okay, number 2, make a batch of super snow. Yes, we've done that. Now, after several hours, the once fluffy snow will be hard and crusty like real snow. Experiment with different ratios of powder to water to find the perfect mix. If your snow dries out, don't worry, it is reusable. Reusable? Wait, how do I make that tiny again? I must have to let it dry out. I wonder. Maybe that's another excellent experiment. Okay. Now I can make it melt. Do you believe me? That's what it says I can do. Okay, it says put some salt into the fluffy snow mixture and it will melt because salt will break down the super absorbent polymer and release the water. Gotta see. How am I going to do this? Hang on. Let me just get my camera on an angle so that you can see what I'm doing. Okay, can you see? Okay. Here goes nothing. Alright. Sorry, I'm just opening the salt and I just realised you can't actually shake salt when you're holding onto a camera as well. Okay, here goes nothing. A la peanut butter sandwiches. Oh, okay. Is it melting? It kind of is. It's kind of... Hold on to the camera. It's kind of melting. It's going back. Wow. Look at that. It's breaking down again. It's not nice and fluffy anymore. Wow, I can see it's actually going soft again. The water's coming out. Wow. That's actually super cool. Look at that. It's not light and fluffy anymore. It's breaking down with all the salt in there. Thank you for that excellent experiment, Mr. I don't even know what he is. Hedgehog? Do you think he was a hedgehog? Maybe he was a hedgehog. Thank you for joining me on Carmen's Australian Storytime. I hope you enjoyed that excellent experiment, and I look forward to maybe doing a couple more experiments with you. And I will be reading an Easter story very soon. Thank you for joining me. Bye for now.